So we just finished the first course of chickpeas with a little bit of tomatoes, onions, parsley, and the sauce, the juice from the prawns, and then prawns on top. And for me, the Pinot Grigio, perfect. Not much wood, just a little bit of vanilla, but this tropical fruit character with really fresh acidity, and it just cleanses your palate. It makes you ready to have more of this great dish. And that's what Italian whites do so well, is they're fresh. They're not heavy, they're generally not high in alcohol, and they just want you to drink more. And that's what it's all about. Drinking more, drinking better. We all know that. So cheers.